Look, you're my loves. Where do you want to eat? Shit. Arby's?
No.
Hola, güey, ¿qué trae el güey? Hey, Shambo, pam pum. Just playing. That's fucking racist.
You're gonna go hiccups.
It didn't work if you still have the hiccups. So I show them this way and they're like, no way, it's not gonna work. And they always act like it's not gonna work for them, but it always does. So they try it and they're like, that is so weird. They're actually gone. I'm like, I know, right? I don't even try other ways because they don't work for me every single time. Like sometimes if I don't have a certain item with me that you need, I will try other ways, like holding my breath for a few seconds, then like slowly letting the air go and then breathing in again. Because that works for some people like my mom, but it just doesn't work for me every single time. So I just like the other way because it's 100% effective for me. I wish I could show you guys like when I've had the hiccups on camera, but I didn't want to wait until I had the hiccups because usually I'm not like in my house when I have the hiccups and then I'm like ready to go film anyway. So I just thought I would share with you guys anyway, but I'm really sorry I don't have the hiccups, so I can't really show you on camera. But all you're gonna need is some water. It doesn't have to be a water bottle, it can just be like a glass of water. And I haven't tried this with any other beverage. If you're at a restaurant or something and you have a pop and you get the hiccups,
You're looking at a video on how to clear your hiccups.
All you're gonna need is some water, and I will.
You don't have water. We don't have water.
This is gonna sound super weird, but all you have to do is start drinking your water and hold down your right earlobe. Just
Go
like
to the
hold
gas
it
station.
down
No.
so it's visibly lower. Sure that the left
We
earlobe
don't have
works as
water.
well. I'm right-handed, so I just immediately go for my.
And you still have the hiccups. How?
So I don't want to steer you
I want to
guys
know
off.
why
If
you
it's
have the
like
hiccups.
left-handed or you just want to try your right or left earlobe. Go
Fine, we'll
right
go to
for
the
it, but
gas station.
right earlobe works every single time, and it's super rare. So
Right earlobe? What does that even mean?
and I at least do it for about 5 seconds. Sure, you can do less than that, but I just do like 5 seconds. And
Go
I'm just
to
like holding down my earlobe while drinking the water, and my hiccups are completely gone. It's so weird, and I don't know what it is, but holding down your earlobe making your hiccups go away. But it totally works, and I know it's probably like in your head. You can probably just be like, no, it's probably the same.
We'll
just
go
drink
somewhere
water,
else.
but I've tried
What
just
the
drinking water,
fuck?
and it
It
doesn't
was
get rid
right
of my hiccups. Like,
there.
hold on.
Hold on.
They'll just start coming back, but for some reason,
Go to
holding down your
fucking
earlobe,
Chevron.
especially your right earlobe, gets rid of your hiccups, and it's so weird, but it works every time for me. The next time we get the hiccups, try this method, and let me know in the comments below if
Like
it's
my
worked for you,
fucking
because
head
I.
was already go.
Okay.
Oh my fucking gosh.
Babe, we will get rid of your
Oh,
hiccups.
I'm gonna get pissed. Like, go.
Okay, okay. I'm heading to a gas station right
Fucking
now.
pissing me off. Go back. The fucking gas station was over there.
Look, what you can do
No.
is look up another gas station. Because I missed it. I'm sorry, I missed the exit.
Go back to Stage 3. Where are you going? We're going to the view either way. Go back. Fuck. Or stop and I'll fucking drive like you're pissing me off.
Okay, look, you need to chill the fuck out. Because the more you talk, the more you're going to get it. And the more you're going to get
I don't care. Go, babe. You're going to piss me off.
Babe, I'm going to look.
Go.
Look.
Oh.
Hold on, look. First of all,
You're just fucking wasting gas.
no, I'm trying to find a fucking
I'm not gonna eat no more. Like, I'm fucking tired of you.
Oh my gosh. Guys, no. It's just flash.
Stop.
Oh shoot. I'm sorry. Okay. So let me get this straight. You did what? What did you do to clear your...
I drank water and I hold down my right earlobe for 5 seconds. And I did it twice because it didn't go away. And then I hold my breath and they went away.
What the hell? What do you mean you grabbed your earlobe?
Like I pulled it down like that 5 seconds, and then I stopped, and then it didn't go away, and then I did it again, and it didn't go away, but I hold in my breath right away, like after I drink water. And like you just like I was looking at a video and it says like you can like control it, like you make, like I don't know, it's weird, like you can make it stop, and I did.
Damn, that's crazy. See, damn. Oh, you're not even in a bitchy mood no more. You're all happy.
Sorry.
It's fine. I love you. We'll go eat right now, okay? Love you.